In the recent past, there have been lots of debates regarding the excess reserve transfer from Reserve Bank of India to the Government of India. On one hand, we have had economists arguing for years that the surplus money can be put to better use rather than sitting with RBI, while on the other hand, the transfer of that surplus to the government's account has been criticized, saying the move will have implication for RBI's balance sheet, union budget, finance markets, and debt management by the RBI. What is your point of view, sir?
Okay. I'll keep it very short because this issue was debated for a very long time.
Yes.
But in some sense, now it has become a non-issue because whatever was to be done in this area has already been done. But
Yes.
having said that, 2-3 points I would say. Number one, let us understand that Reserve Bank of India is a fully owned subsidiary or institution of Government of India.
Government of India.
So whatever is with Reserve Bank is with Government of India in one sense or other. So
Yes.
whatever else you do is a more accounting, entry rather than any real change in
Yes.
the ground situation. Second, there is a merit, particularly in a developing emerging economy like us, where the finance of the government are not always, in the best of the shape. It is
Yes.
important to have an institution which can be AAA on its own without any sovereign rating support. Or I would say which should be able to pierce the sovereign rating.
Yes.
And that is the benefit of this institution. To in time of need, it can deal with the you are a capitalist of country. You will continue to need the capital support from the international market, and for doing that, if there is an institution which on its own has a rating which is the best rating, which is acceptable, will have its own benefit. I'll just say two things. Two live example now, which proves that why RBI should have a good amount of reserve. One, because of the strong balance sheet of RBI, it had been possible to negotiate and establish the swap line with many other central banks in the international area. You need a good credit rating for that. They will not give you for out of love for you or just because they like.
Yes.
And in today's crisis, again, see, because government finances are not in great shape, as we know, even before the COVID, but because RBI has a strong balance sheet, there are quite a few things which they are in a position to do. And if need be, they would be able to do. As I indicated in reply to my earlier question, maybe a stage may come for the monetization of deficit or any such thing. Again, the strong balance sheet of RBI would come to play. To conclude, despite all the initial, heat and fire and debate, and finally the committee was formed, and committee had two eminent, ex-governor Dr. Jalan as well as ex-deputy governor Dr. Rakesh Mohan.
Yes.
All has been done, and finally, I think they have also reached to a conclusion that RBI need to have a certain level of reserve. Whatever is surplus more than that, that can be transferred. So, a sum of 1.76 lakh crore was transferred out of that committee.
Yes.
But again, it would be wrong to believe that it was completely a transfer from the reserve. Major part of this was the annual dividend, which RBI in any case gives to Reserve Bank of India.
Yes.
Actually, it was during Dr. Rajan's time that similar exercise was done, and a decision or a view was reached that RBI has already reached to a level of certain reserve which they want. So now going forward, whatever profit RBI earns will be completely fully transferred to Reserve Bank of India, to Government
of India.
And that was done. Since then, it is being done like that only.
Okay.
The point was, if ground reality changes and reserves are to be further augmented, only then this policy would be changed. So, out of this 1.76 lakh crore, if my memory serves me right, there was only around 50 or 52,000 crore which was considered as a surplus reserve, which was transferred. Rest was the dividend transfer. So I think this is a well settled issue now. Till such time anything new happens, no further debate, I think, is likely to happen in this area.
Yes, yes, it's a regular phenomenon. Thanks for the clarity, sir, and thank you for coming to our show. Because I'm personally a very big fan of you because you have started your career from a probationary officer to the top of CMD and then deputy governor. So thank you. It's my pleasure to have you on Ecolics Thinking Tree.